In this video, we will discuss how to import and associate multiple objects in one file in HubSpot. So in order to do that, you first need to head over here to your HubSpot homepage and click on the search bar to go over to your contacts. So search contact right here, and then from in there, head over and click on contacts on the apps. Once you have clicked on that, you will be redirected right here into your HubSpot contact. Now, into this case, what we need to do is we just need to start import. So for this case, click on this add contacts, click on import. Then after that, you will be redirected to a new page for the data integration itself. Now onto this case, you can import a file, transfer data, transform, and sync from apps as well. Head over and click onto this import a file and then import one file that you want to use. You can also choose the objects that you're importing such as contacts or companies or deals and companies only. Once you have uploaded that, HubSpot will display a mapping screen so you can map each column to the correct object and property and then review its association. After that, you can finish the import. So that's all there is today. And if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.